Another beautiful day in Puerto Rico, baby. Today, we're gonna try to hit as many waterfalls as we can on the island. It's one of our last days. See how many we can hit. Let's get on the road. You ready to hit the falls, man?
Yeah, barber.
Coffee, baby.
Coffee, coffee.
Ready?
Ready.
She goes down, but the one mess up on this road. And we're done, so boys. Oh yeah, baby. Ooka, 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 chaka, ooka, 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 chaka, ooka, 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 chaka, ooka, 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 chaka. Pit stop, cause gotta enjoy this view while we can, boys. How's the view? What?
Best piss spot I ever had. You can see all the way to the coast. Wow.
Amazing. Made it to the first waterfall. You ready, boy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got the swings here. Look, free bananas. Oh yeah, we'll take one of these.
Dude, this is a fat
Ain't get better than this. You can hear it roaring. We're at the Fountain of Youth, boys. A free banana in the jungle. You ready to hit the fall, baby?
I'm excited.
You don't look excited.
I'm a little scared too.
Santa Clara, boys.
Oh, down here.
We gotta check through this. You can hear her roaring. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Get the crust. All of that just for this boy. All of that. Now look. Again, there's a sign up there. See that? Trek goes on. Roping down. Got it?
Yeah.
Hey, can you grab this?
Nothing. Oh, buddy.
Alright, good?
Yeah.
Oh, buddy. Woo! Oh, yeah, boys. Somehow we gotta get way down there. There is a cable right there, but we ain't gonna do that. We're gonna take the easy route. Bro, you can feel it. Look at that thing. Dude, that's like a 30-foot drop, dude. Come on, let's go. 2-hour drive, 2-hour trek through the jungle, but we made it, guys. Check this shit out. For a little shower, boys. back to the trail. Got a 2-hour trek back to the car. And then we out to waterfall number 2, baby. Let's get going. Oi. Ah. We are just all the way at the bottom. Climbed up in like what, a minute?
Something like that.
Holy, keep it pushing.
Then you come out to this.
Made it back. Finna steal me another banana for the road. Oh, gracias.
I'm so...
Made it back. Now for waterfall number 2.
Yeah, boy.
Let's go. Try, bro. It's fresh banana.
What it? It's looking crazy. It's so sweet.
Fresh off the side of the road. Guys.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime, buddy.
Para el pan.
Para el becaria.
Only
3 pesos.
3 pesos y
Only 3
sweet bread. Para el sandwich.
What's up, guys? Here's another sandwich review from the Panaderia. Got our boy AGS Garage. What you chefing up today, AGS?
Chef Alex over here.
Today we have the finest of the meats. Today, right here we have A5 Helmon, straight from the mountains of Puerto Rico. Legend has it, it took 5 years to make this, perfect this recipe. Look at the gelatinousness of this lamb. Put it on the
What else
sandwich.
you got there?
And over here we have A6 Wagyu salami.
Pastrami.
Straight from the bodega, straight into our mouths.
Use all the fucking
Fine aged. All for $13.52. Fold it up in half.
Sure, boy.
Adios mío.
What's going on, vlog? Just hitting a little mountain road, you know what I'm saying?
Mountain road to the next spot. Waterfall number 2, baby.
Numero 12.
How far away? 2 minutes. 2 minutes old.
Woo! Wish I had sun on.
Check out that view, my guy. Jesus. The trek begins. Yes, sir. Any snakes? Nope, I got one in my pants. That crystal clear water. Let's see what she feeling. Woo! Oh, baby. You can feel it. It's fucking gorgeous. We gotta skip out on the third waterfall. Oh, it's pouring down rain. Rain, go away. Come again. We'll have to catch you guys tomorrow at Gozalandia. Leftover pinchos. Got some eggs cooking up. What you eat for breakfast, baby?
Got a hot sauce, homemade pinchos and eggs. Got the bomb down now.
Yes up. Oh, to smash my plate.
Good eat, good eat.
Alright,
Vlog update in Gozalandia.
Oh yeah.
Are you boys ready?
Okay, boys. In the zone, baby.
I farted so a little bit.
Four boys, one king. Yeah, Kale. Sick, bro. Can't see. Oh wait,
It's a little dark.
sorry, just getting the light right here.
We're running out of oxygen in this bitch.
Hey, he's running low. He goes. Oh yeah, follow my
Oh no. We made it. Halfway, buddy. Need help? Got it? Hey, what the fuck? ending the day with a bonfire on the beach, looking at the stars. Camera doesn't do justice, but just chilling, having a good time. See y'all on the next one.